find one of the coolest places to go and visit. We are going to a place called the Gathering Place. I have never seen depicted such a cacophony of playgrounds in my life. You guys want to go play?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah! I will in your car.
That's what you wrote in my card?
What is it?
I don't know.
Twist. Kiss, Mama.
I don't know. Hi, Sienna.
Hi. This is maybe a home.
How did you get in the top of that pit?
We climbed. Whoa.
Playground.
Uh-oh, do you need help getting down? Where does Sienna go? Is she up here?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Very dangerous. Let's go up. Up and down.
Dan.
Mama, how come you get we go up?
Go up, dude. Go up. I'll come with you.
Mama, whoa, it's like a tree house.
I keep bonking my head.
It might be a tree house. Yay!
Okay, Evelyn, let mommy help you, okay?
I'm riding my car.
Drive your car. Look at me.
He sees me.
Ahoy, Baba and Ann.
Kylie's got her hand on it.
Hey, Baba. I'm going, Mama.
I don't know.
Evelyn, go help Grace.
Famous
Girls ready.
Yeah,
Pull it up. Pull me up.
Now shout it.
I'm the king of the world!
Kylie, say hi, Baba. Hi, Baba. Kylie. Ahoy, Austin!
Mama, now there is a slide.
Woo! You didn't go off the edge. I didn't know you were going. Go again. Say, Mommy, I'm about to go down. Whee! Oh, you went off the edge. Hey, guys. Look at me.
Mama, I know it.
There's Sienna. Oh, rocking the boat.
Cheese ever! I've never seen such a long cheese.
Hey, don't hit it, don't hit it.
Rock boat, baby, don't run. Take the boat.
You like that?
Whoa, not too much. Sister's gonna fall right out.
Evelyn, you might need to go in the one Grayson's going in. Come here, right here. Evelyn, come back here. Let me get your picture. Hi, you.
Hi. Could I do this one? Unicorn hot dog.
Oh, you don't want to make hot dogs out of unicorns?
Mama.
No, unicorns.
What do you want with?
Like a vegan unicorn.
Kylie chocolate.
You want to eat, Kylie? Climb up there, dude. You can do it. Can you do it, Evelyn? You go, girl. Oh, you are doing so good. That is so high up. Sienna's doing it now. Good job, Sienna. Come this way, Evelyn. Sienna, go. You're holding everyone up. Woo! Woo! Okay, move out of the way. That was so good. That was good.
Put some belly fan.
High five, dude. You got it? Get those legs around. There you go.
All right, here we go.
Woo!
I want to go faster than anybody. Me too.
Ready? Good job, Evelyn.
You.
Walk, 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 walk. Echoing. Look, Grayson, stop. That's
Ooh, Sienna's so brave.
me too.
Grayson's so brave.
There you go.
There.
Grayson, yay.
Hi, dude.
Mama, I go in my hair.
Okay.
Hey, you stay laying down. Grayson want me to bury you one day. Mermaid? No.
Hi, Sienna.
Hi. Put stuff in that little bowl up there.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be water.
We need water in there?
I don't know.
Do you got water?
Nope. Duck down, sweetie. Duck down. Don't bonk your head. Don't bonk your head.
Okay.
Are you all done playing?
No.
Oh, you can go play. I was just telling you to put your shoes down.
This might be amazing. Huh? Fire truck! Ow! Hi, Papa. We go.
Ooh! Whee! Ready? Come here, girl.
This is me.
Let's go find your way through.
Mama.
There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Okay, keep that out.
Yeah, they're sitting around at 37 business day back on.
There's Evelyn.
I made it! Win again. I keep on winning.
Go get it. Oh, he's so tough. Oi, oi, oi.
Mama, this is a talent show. Come on,
That's so sad. Okay, go get him.
Come on. Come on. She wants that part.
You want the camera instead, huh?
She wants that.
Now what are you gonna do?
Hi, Kylie.
There's Evelyn.
Never a noise.
Come on.
That's your patented screech.
Guys couldn't play hot lava.
Get my hand. Come on.
I think she wants to do it by herself.
The belly kick.
It's Sienna help you.
Yeah, a little push on the bum. Little push on the bum.
Good job. Oh, what's the matter? Grayson, I think it's about time to go.
Go, bud.
You're just gonna go back to the stroller? Go get it. Where are you going? That's the wrong way.